Welcome to the cooler report. I'm going to introduce our new products on my right hand. This is a narrow space freezers. Let me give you the overall sizes first. For the unit's length, about like a 16.5 inches wide and 17 inches deep. And the overall height of the unit is about like a 74 inches tall. So these units, we can see the front banners. They have LEDs under the cover, and also have a controllers, the temperature control at the front. Also, when you're looking the behind, we can see the name stickers. The model number is SD105B, and with the ETL sanitation stickers on it, and also have two switchers. One is controlling the inner lamps, and one is controlling the top lamps. And also, when you're looking down the bottoms, the compressor is mounted right here, and behind the units, they have the 110 standard plugs. And when we open the door, we can see the door is soft closed, and also have LED strips right here, one LED strips on top of the units, air circling fans right here. Let me give you the inner side dimensions. For the shelvings, it's about like almost like 11 inches deep. And the length of the unit is also about like 10.5 inches wide. For the inner side space, overall heights, they are about like 50 inches tall. We can see the shelving can adjustable. They have a small hinge right here. You can change the space. So they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, total 8 layers. This will be the all demonstration information about the products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.